Hi, you are watching PresetDreams now, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to edit this blue tone preset for your GoPro photography just by using the free Lightroom mobile app. But before we start with the editing, I will show you a few amazing before and after pictures. Now let's jump into the editing process. At first, go to the lights panel and adjust the tone curve as same as possible like in the video. Now follow all my steps. It's very easy. Set the contrast to -27. The highlights to -37. Now the shadows to +33. Whites to -45. And at least in the lights panel, set the blacks to +54. Now we are done with the lights panel. You can't see much difference yet, but these settings are important later. Now we come to the important settings for this preset. Open the color panel and let us do the magic happen. Set vibrance to +56. And the saturation to -10. Now open the color mix and follow all my steps for every color. Take a little time and stop the video if it's necessary. If you are already done with the colors, go to the Effects panel. Set the clarity to +41. Set dehaze to +40. The vignette to -24. Midpoint to 22. The feather to 58. And the roundness of the vignette to +36. Now we are done in the Effects panel. Let's go to the Details panel. Set the sharpening to 26. Go to Noise Reduction and set it to 27. At last, set the color noise reduction to 28. Now we are done with all settings. Look at this huge before and after difference. Is this amazing or what? Now save this preset to your preset library, give him a name, and make your GoPro pictures look awesome. If you want to download this GoPro preset, so check out the description below this video and get all download links for this free preset. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn the bell notification on so you don't miss any free presets what I am uploading weekly. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.